X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Scanning mode, color flow or power Doppler. To activate color flow Doppler, press the CF button. A region of interest box will display. Use the trackball to move the ROI to your vessel of interest. Likewise, activate the power Doppler with the PD button. Use the set key to size the ROI and set a second time to fix the ROI. When scanning with a linear transducer and you need to angle steer the ROI, you may use the angle knob to steer the box to your preferred angle. The angle knob moves in 5-degree increments. Use the scale toggle to increase or decrease the PRF scale values. Invert to switch between the color map for red versus blue.